How to get a referral code on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can get a referral code on Mercari. I'm sure you know that by the time you refer people on Mercari, you are eligible to earning from it. How do you get a referral code? It's very simple. Log in into your Mercari's account first of all. Once you are logged in, move to the top right side and then click on your profile icon. Once you click on your profile icon, you would see a drop-down menu. In this menu, ensure you select referrals. All right, select referrals, and then once you select referrals, you'll be taken to the referral section. On this section, you see different ways for you to invite friends. You can invite them by sending them personalized emails, personalized messages on your social media platforms, or you will see the option share link. So just click on that. By clicking on share link, your unique referral code or link would be generated. And then you will see. So click on the copy icon and then you can go ahead and share the link with friends, family, via your social media, via your email, or through other messaging apps. So that is it. And when your friends sign up using this unique code of yours, you would earn credits once they have completed their first purchase. So go ahead, go to your profile icon, click on referrals, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.